Hi, good morning. Gusto niyo bang gumawa ng video gamit cellphone? Kunyari, binigyan kayo ng OER video ng teacher. For example, ang topic ninyo what is LMS? So, gusto niyo matutong gumawa ng PowerPoint gamit yung mga screen capture na image galing doon sa video na yon gamit ang cellphone. Pagkatapos, gusto niyo matuto paano yun ilagay sa Google Slides para maging slides presentation. Okay, ang kaibahan ng Google Slides kailangan online. So, paano mo ngayon magagawa yun offline, lalo na kung nagtitipid sa internet? Gusto mo matuto paano yun i-export o i-save sa cellphone to this device as a PowerPoint presentation. And then ngayon, kung PowerPoint na siya, magagamit natin din yung screen recorder dito sa cellphone ninyo. Paano gumawa ng movie? Naririnig yung boses, papatungan o idadab ninyo, script na ginawa ninyo gamit yung mga images na sinave nyo sa inyong cellphone. So, welcome to Learn with Red. Click like and subscribe para ma-notify kayo kung meron pa akong mga bagong video na ipopost. So, Learn with Red. Let's go! To make an MP4 movie using our cell phones, we need 4 apps. Google Slides, Screen Capture, PowerPoint, and YouTube. For instance, I'm a student given an assignment to make a short presentation about a given topic, what is LMS, published by iSpring and posted May 28, 2019. And I've already downloaded the video in my device, a mobile phone, using YouTube. You can see that I'm offline. And from downloads, you can play YouTube offline.
System.
There.
An LMS.
We have to get the photos we need for the report, and we will use the built-in screen capture to take photos of the video. We stop the video, click screen capture. Let's continue. There, screen capture button. Next. Screen capture. Screen capture, and so forth. So we can go to the gallery to check on the photos we have saved, and here they are. So this is for slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, slide 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I already made the script using Word and identified the photos in our voice narration of the video. Now that we have the photos, we can now run Google Slides. There, so we turn on Google Slide. We make a new presentation. So we insert an image from photos. That's our slide number 1. And then we add a blank slide. And let's add our second slide photo there. And we're going to write the text using font size 45 and bold. What can I do with an LMS? Then we add another slide. And we insert slide number 2 image from photo. Add new slide. Insert image from photo. New slide. Insert image from photo. the last slide is the thank you slide here. So let's inspect our slides. Slide number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this is automatically saved there. Turn back on the Wi-Fi. There, so it's updated. Okay, let's rename it first. LMS. Slides. Rename. So now we can save it as a PowerPoint presentation. This is the LMS slide in Google Sheet and this is an LMS slide PowerPoint. Okay, we can download this in our device. One item downloaded and let's go. Download history. There. So it's now downloaded as a PowerPoint in our device. There. So from here, we can now record our movie. I will read while I play the PowerPoint. Okay? 3, 2, 1. What is an LMS? LMS stands for Learning Management System. It is a web-based or online system that helps you organize school learning. What can I do with an LMS? With an LMS, you can gather all your learning materials in one place and make them available to all the learners in just one click. You can organize the students into groups like Google Classroom 1 and Google Classroom 2, and you can assign a whole series of learning materials and tests according to their needs assessment called the training path, and easily track each learner's progress to encourage the leaders and help slow learners develop faster. What are the students' benefits from LMS? First, they can study at home for classworks and assignment, meaning there's no need for baon or wearing uniform. There's no daily transport cost for tricycles and jeepney, for instance. And the savings from the transport you can use to join by mobile phone if you do not have PC or tablet for only 50 pesos for a 3-day load or 90 pesos for 7 days, 2 gigabytes. Wow, that means you can finish the whole semester of 4 months in less than 1,500 pesos. And lastly, there's no need for printed learning material. Just go where there's a strong signal and download your learning materials and upload your assignments and learning assessments. What other benefits do learners find with LMS? With the right LMS, learners can save time and therefore can pursue TESDA competency training, for instance, and become an online working student while studying in college. Yes! So guys, thank you for LMS that makes distance learning fun and possible in COVID pandemic times like this. So there, that's how I made an MP4 video for my Google Classroom using Google Slides and just my cell phone. The resulting video is exactly as I recorded it using a screen recorder while playing PowerPoint from Google Slides and my voice for narration. Click like and subscribe so that you can get notified as I post new videos like this. Learn with Red.